Hi everyone! I've spent some good time using both the new Apple iPhone 16 Pro, released in September 2024, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus from January 2024. Both phones are great but have different features that make them special. In this video, I will share what I liked and what stood out on each phone. If you want to check the latest prices, I put Amazon links in the description below. Let's find out which phone might be the best for you. Having used both phones, I noticed the iPhone 16 Pro feels more compact and solid in hand, thanks to its smaller size and sturdy titanium frame. It is slightly thicker and a bit heavier at 199 grams, which gives it a premium and durable feel. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Plus is bigger and lighter, with a slim aluminum frame and glass front and back that make it feel sleek yet less dense. Both phones resist water and dust well, but the iPhone's design feels more refined and tough overall. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Dolby Vision, and up to 2000 nits brightness, delivering sharp visuals at 1206 by 2622 resolution, 460 ppi. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus offers a larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with the same 120Hz refresh rate, but supports HDR10 Plus and peaks at around 2600 nits brightness. Its higher 3D120 by 1440 resolution, 513 ppi, provides crisper detail, while always-on display and Gorilla Glass armor add extra durability and functionality. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features the Apple A18 Pro chipset built on a 3nm process, with a hexa-core CPU, 2 high-performance cores at 4.05 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 2.42 GHz, and a 6-core GPU, running iOS 18 upgradable to 18.5. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus runs Android 14 with One UI 6.1 and offers either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in select regions, or Exynos 2400 chipset, both octa-core, paired with Adreno 750 or Xclipse 940 GPUs. The iPhone's custom silicon emphasizes high single-core performance and efficiency, while the Galaxy's chipsets provide versatile multi-core power and broader platform customization. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro offers 4 storage options, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, all paired with 8GB of RAM and NVMe storage technology, enhancing speed and efficiency. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus provides 2 storage choices, 256GB and 512GB, both with 12GB of RAM and utilizing UFS 4.0 storage. Neither device supports expandable memory via card slots. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers a wider range of storage capacities with moderate RAM, while the Galaxy S24 Plus focuses on higher RAM paired with faster UFS 4.0 storage, but fewer storage options. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a triple camera system with a 48-megapixel wide sensor, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto offering 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, enhanced by a TOF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. It supports advanced video capabilities like Dolby Vision HDR and ProRes. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus sports a 50-megapixel wide sensor, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Both have OIS and PDAF, but the iPhone emphasizes higher resolution ultra-wide and telephoto cameras with additional video features. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus both feature 12-megapixel wide front cameras with PDAF, supporting 4K video recording at 60 FPS. The iPhone 16 Pro adds optical image stabilization, OIS, and a sophisticated SL3D depth biometric sensor, enhancing portrait effects and facial recognition. It also supports Dolby Vision HDR and spatial audio for richer video quality. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Plus offers Auto HDR and multiple video resolutions, including 1080p at 3060 FPS, focusing on versatile selfie video options. Overall, the iPhone provides more advanced depth sensing and stabilization features. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro features a 3582 mAh Li-ion battery with wired PD 2.0 fast charging, reaching 50% in 30 minutes, along with 25 watts MagSafe wireless charging and 15 watts Qi2 wireless charging, plus 4.5 watts reverse wired charging. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus offers a larger 4900 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, supporting faster 45 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless charging, and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. While the Galaxy S24 Plus has a bigger battery and quicker wired charging, the iPhone provides versatile wireless charging options including MagSafe. After spending time with both the iPhone 16 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, I can say each phone has its strengths. The iPhone 16 Pro offers a sleek design, smooth performance, and a great camera system. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Plus stands out with its vibrant display, longer battery life, and versatile features. Ultimately, the best choice depends on what matters most to you. Check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and decide which phone fits your needs best.